Welcome all of you in this tutorial of sentiment analysis on airlines tweet. So first of all we see what is sentiment analysis. Let's see introduction to sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis refers to analyzing an opinion or feelings about something using data like text or images. In sentiment analysis, we analyze the text and image data for the sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis helps companies in their decision making process. For example, if public sentiment towards a product is not good, a company may try to modify the product or stop the production together in order to avoid any losses. So there are many sources of public sentiment. Obtaining the data for the sentiment analysis, this sources are for example public interviews, opinion polls, surveys, etc. However, with more and more people joining the social media platforms like websites, Facebook, Twitter, it can be parsed for public sentiment. So we can take data from this social media also for obtaining the data for sentiment analysis. So let's see the sentiment analysis on airline tweets. So what is our problem? Let's see problem definition. Given tweets about 6 US airlines, the task is to predict whether a tweets contain positive, negative, or neutral sentiment about the airlines. This is a typical supervised learning task where a given text string we have to categorize our text string into predefined categories, that is neutral, positive, negative. So let's see the solution for this problem. To solve this problem, we will follow a typical machine learning pipeline, that is machine learning algorithm. We will first import all required libraries and the dataset. We will then do exploratory data analysis to see if we can find any trend in the dataset. Next, we will perform text preprocessing to convert textual data into numeric data that can be used by machine learning algorithm. Finally, we use machine learning algorithm to train and test our sentiment analysis model. So let's do it practically. First of all, we import all the libraries which are used in the analysis, that is basic libraries, NLTK library, matplotlib, RE. So let's execute this code. We have to wait for some time for executing this code. Here we use tweets airline tweets data. I will give a link of the data in the description. You can use that link to obtain the data, so you can get data from that. So let's call the data. This is our required data to do the sentiment analysis on airline tweets containing this sentiment, that is airline sentiment, neutral, positive, and negative. These are the another variables which are used to predict the sentiment of the airline tweets. Here we can see this is actual tweets. This text variable consists of actual tweets. We use these tweets to predict our target variable, that is our airline sentiment, that is neutral, positive, and negative. So let's explore our data. Let's explore dataset a bit to see if we can find any trend, but before that we change the default plot size to have better view of the plots. This is the code for selecting or predefining the plot size of our plot to get better visualization of the plots. So let's predefine. This is the code required to predefine the plot size for better visualization. So let's explore our data. Exploration of the data. Let's first see the number of tweets for each airline. we will plot pie chart for that. So number of tweets for each airline, so it contain up to 6 airlines. So these which names are US Airlines, United, Virgin America, Delta, Southwest and American. These are the 6 airlines for which we have to do sentiment analysis. So this is the required core for do sentiment analysis. Again we run this code. Before that, again after that, we for better visualization we again run this code. So this is the required airlines. 20% tweets for US Airlines, 26 for United, 3% for Virgin America, like 15% for Delta, 17% for Southwest and 19% for American. Now we again here obtain the airline counts, that is number of neutral, positive and negative counts for each airline. For that we use this code. Let's execute this code. This is the required code and our pie chart for each count of the sentiments, that is airline sentiments for each for all of the airlines. So this is the pie chart for sentiments, that is negative, neutral and positive. So here 63% of the sentiments are negative, 21% sentiments are neutral and 16% sentiments are positive. So let's again we try to plot a uh, stacked bar plot for obtaining for better visualization of these sentiments, that is negative, neutral and positive. So this is the required code for obtaining the stacked bar plot for the sentiments. Here we grouping it by uh, actual airlines and airline sentiments, that is positive, negative and neutral, and see other 6 airlines. So let's execute this code to obtain a stacked bar plot. So this is the required bar plot. Here we can see more, all airlines contain more number of negative sentiments, and it is followed by some neutral sentiments and then positive sentiments. Here you can see blue bar plot. Here blue bar is having negative sentiments which is having higher count, that is after that neutral having higher count, and it is followed by positive counts of the sentiments. Here we can see it is from the plot it is evident that the majority of the tweets are negative followed by neutral and positive tweets. Here we can see Virgin America is probably the only airline where the ratio of 3 sentiments is somewhere similar. Here we can see, so 3 airlines having somehow same count of sentiment, that is negative, positive and neutral. So finally let's use Seaborn library to view average confidence level for tweets belonging to 3 sentiment categories. So this is the required code to obtain the plot for average confidence level belonging to the each sentiment category. So this is the required code to obtaining plot for average confidence level, that is average confidence level is one of the variable in our data set, and our here we on x-axis there is sentiment, airline sentiment, that is positive, negative and neutral, and on the y-axis we got airline sentiments confidence. So here we can see, here we have to wait some time for our plot. So this is the required plot obtained by using Seaborn library. So here we can see confidence for the negative sentiments is higher, it is followed by positive airline sentiment and after that neutral. So from the output you can see the confidence level of negative tweets is higher as compared to the positive and neutral tweets. So this is the required exploration of the our data. So we can see that in our data there are more number of negative tweets about all the airlines except Virgin America. So this is the required exploration of our data. So, and this is the required data of our analysis, sentiment analysis. So in the next tutorial, the next part of this sentiment analysis on airline tweets part 2, we can see the data cleaning and how to convert text data into numerical data, and how to apply a machine learning algorithms on that data. So the thank you all of you. So stay tuned, and for uh, next procedure of this text analysis, you have to see the next part of this tutorial, that is sentiment analysis on airline tweets part 2. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you.